Hello everyone, I will show you very quickly how to make cyanotype prints with thermal paper and a thermal printer. First you take out a piece of cyanotype paper, but be quickly or do it in a dark room because it is light sensitive. Next cut it to size and put it into the picture frame. Now place your print on top of the cyanotype paper. So the light sensitive side is up and the picture that you can see on the print is also upwards, and then put it into the frame. Perfect. And then now we'll bring it outside and put it into the sunshine and let the rays do its work. Now I left it out for about an hour. Let's see the results. To develop, you can just use tap water and rinse off the chemicals the chemical residue, and then dry it thoroughly, and then you'll be able to see your print. So the first results are not that good, as you can see. Yeah, you can see the camera right there, but it's not very clear. This is 1 hour and this is short 20 minutes. So as you can see, this is a lot clearer, but you need a lot more light to make this work. Mind you, it was a very cloudy day. No sunshine visible, clouds everywhere, dark. So that might have played a big role, because the next picture, that one has a lot more detail. I left it out also a bit too long, 1.5 hours, and there was a bit of sunshine. So I think if you do this kind of thing in summertime and you leave it out for an hour, and you've got a good picture to start with, because I think this picture was just a bit too black and white, then you will be fine. So I hope you like my videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.